What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you a simple trick that will let you know exactly when you need to water your garden, and all you need is one finger. One of the most common questions I get asked every summer is, how should I know when I need to water my garden? This is critical information because it can be just as dangerous to overwater your garden as it is to underwater it. A common mistake that many gardeners make is they water their garden as soon as they start to see the top layer of soil dry out. This often leads to overwatering and constant shallow watering practices because the sun is always beating on the top layer of the soil, drying it out very quickly. However, your plant's roots are several inches below the soil line in much moister conditions, generally speaking. In order to figure out if we need to water our garden, we need to test the soil for moisture several inches underneath the surface. If you have a mulch layer on your garden beds like I do, the first thing you need to do is pull that back and expose the garden soil underneath. Once our garden soil has been exposed, we need to test it for moisture at a depth of about 2 to 3 inches below the surface. And the easiest way to do that is the finger method, where we take the middle knuckle on our index finger and then the knuckle on our hand. We imagine a center line right in between the two knuckles, and then we will bury our finger to that depth to check for moisture. While the surface of our exposed garden soil may look pretty dry, if I take my finger and I move it down to the depth in between those two knuckles and then I pull it back, what you will actually see is the garden soil at that depth is actually fairly moist. When you ball it up and you squeeze it, it almost holds together, sort of like a snowball, which is just the appropriate level of moisture that you want in your garden. So if your garden soil is still moist at that depth, you probably don't need to water your garden just yet. If it is starting to dry out at that depth, it is probably a good idea for you to water your plants. That's because most plant roots are going to be about 3 to 6 inches below the surface. So if you're starting to see dry out occur at 2 to 3 inches, you probably will need to water very soon. Now, when it comes to watering your plants, the overwhelming majority of plants prefer to be watered deeply and infrequently, not using shallow overhead methods. So drip irrigation is always going to be the best. So if you can water deeply at the base of every plant without getting the leaves wet, that is going to be your best course of action. I will make sure to drop a playlist down in the video description that has all of my different DIY tutorials for installing practically any type of drip irrigation, as well as a link to my drip irrigation Drip Depot affiliate store, which has pretty much every drip irrigation part under the sun. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.